I know they'll show up. I know for a fact they will show up. Hey, Takanshibu. Well, if it isn't Bagi, Jasper, and Frob. I knew you guys would show up any second. Takanshibu, you need to stop this. Exactly, you're gonna cause apocalypse if you don't stop. Oh, really? All I'm doing is getting rid of humans. First off, technically you are causing an apocalypse. Also, your hybrid animals have caused more harm to animals, mainly normal animals, than they have to humans. Because there's been many news coming out of your hybrid animals killing local farm cows and other animals. So please, stop doing these bad things. It's not worth destroying humanity just because of what they did to you. You know what? Maybe you're right. Maybe this isn't worth it anymore. Maybe destroying humanity won't get me anywhere. So, can we be friends? After all, we are from the same lab. You know what, Takanshibu? We can be friends. Wow, thanks, guys.